So this here is the Dry Tec pool shock that I'm going to be using. It's calcium hypochlorite. You can see here it's got 68% concentration of the active ingredient. So that's a pretty strong dose of chlorine that's going into the pool. And these bags, they are 1 pound each. I'm in the process of opening our pool. I've got a little bit of residual chlorine from the winter, but I need to add some shock to really elevate the chlorine levels and kind of get rid of the greenish haze that's in there. So this shock will help increase the chlorine levels. Use 1 bag every 10,000 gallons. We've got a 20,000 gallon pool, so I'm gonna add 2 pounds of this, so 2 bags, and that will increase the chlorine by approximately 5 to 10 parts per million. So adding this to the pool is super simple. I just go to my deep end. I've got my jet right down here and just kind of disperse it. And it'll dissolve into the water. I usually take my pool brush after a few minutes and just kind of stir around any of that has settled to the bottom there, just so it doesn't bleach the liner. But that's it. So let the pump circulate for a while, and this will be sure to get your chlorine levels increased. So after adding the shock in, it's been about less than 24 hours actually, and the pool has turned crystal clear. You can see down in the corners, there's some of the dead algae down there, so that shock definitely did its job, killed off any of the growth that was occurring and causing the water to look kind of green and cloudy. Now we've got crystal clear blue water ready to swim.